Hey guys, I hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to take a second to sit down and film a video for you because I got the first official Ipsy Glambag Plus box in the mail. There was kind of like a PR box that went out a few months ago. I talked about it on Instagram, but I never filmed an unboxing video because I wasn't sure if that was something everybody would get or if it was just kind of an idea of what you could get in the boxes. And there were some cool brands and some cool boxes, but I thought this would be a more accurate representation of the new Glambag Plus subscription because it's the first official box. So if you guys haven't heard of Ipsy Glambag Plus, I'll put a chart on the screen. I think I saw one floating around that compares the original Glambag subscription to the Glambag Plus subscription. They did send this to me in the mail if I wanted to review it on my channel. This is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with them. They just sent it my way because I do film Ipsy unboxings, which I pay for every month. Glambag Plus is a little bit different. You pay a little bit more, $25 a month, but you get 5 full-size products, and then every 3 months you will get a deluxe sized makeup bag. The makeup bag is a little bit bigger and nicer than the ones that you get in your Ipsy subscription. There is a wait list, so I would recommend signing up if you're interested. You can either switch your subscription over and just get this one, or keep your existing subscription and sign up for this one additionally. And Ipsy is not a cruelty-free beauty subscription. I just want to throw it out there. I do stay subscribed to some subscriptions that aren't cruelty-free if they are mainly cruelty-free, and then I donate the products that aren't. I'll put more info in the description box below if you guys want to hear my thoughts, as well as a link to their website because they do have a frequently asked questions section on the website. So if you guys want to know more, just check that out or leave me a comment below because I have read up on it. So I'll try to be as helpful as possible. Okay, so first of all, my camera does not pick up the shade of this box very accurately. It's like the Ipsy pink. Whenever there's a neon color, it just has a hard time with it. But the box is definitely larger than the Ipsy envelope mailer that we get every month. It feels pretty heavy. When you open it up, there is a little quote and then there's a foam piece holding everything together. Okay, I'm really excited about this because with the regular Ipsy bag, you don't get a card with info, which is fine because you can go on the website or use the app, but I do think it's really convenient because a lot of times they'll tell you about the products, how to use them, and just some helpful information. And of course you can Google it, but it's just kind of convenient. Okay, the first thing in here is from Smashbox. It is an eyeshadow palette. This is their Cover Shot Bold Glitter Eye Palette. And I've tried some of the Cover Shot palettes. I like them. I think the quality is good, especially if you just want an easy eyeshadow palette to use. And I will say they've definitely improved the quality of the Cover Shot palettes. When I first tried them, I liked them, but they were never essentials for me. And then they released the Petal Metal palette and I fell in love. So I do think they've been working on their eyeshadow quality. Oh, this one comes with 8 different glittery shadows. They feel almost creamy, but they do have a little bit of a gritty texture. These actually look really beautiful. They're different than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be like pressed glitters, and I was a little bit hesitant because I don't wear a lot of glitter on the eyes, but I actually think these are going to be easy to work with. It does look like you get a pretty pigmented base, and then there's a lot of glitter mixed in. So like as I press on the shadow, it's not like your finger kind of sinks to the bottom of the pan. If you've tried like glittery shadows or creamy shadows, that sometimes happens, but these do feel like a regular eyeshadow just with a bunch of glitter mixed in. So I do think they could be really pretty on the eyes. I know it's not going to be for everybody, but I like that they included something a little bit different rather than like a typical warm neutral eyeshadow palette, because I have a lot of those, and if you are subscribed to like beauty subscription services that include full-size products, you probably have a lot of those as well, so this could be a fun change. Okay, the next thing in here is from Morphe. I actually don't think that I've tried anything from Morphe other than maybe 1 or 2 of their larger eyeshadow palettes back in the day, but it's been a long time. So this is their high impact highlighter, and I got the shade Extra. The packaging feels really nice and sleek. Ooh, this is a pretty color that is definitely going to be a shade that I reach for. Let me just swatch it. It's really creamy. It almost feels, oh wow, it's going on really nicely. It almost feels like the Becca highlighters. Okay, this is a really pretty color. I think that it could be applied lightly, or you can build it up for more of an intense look. That's just like a light layer, but if I layer it on, it definitely has the ability to get a little bit more intense. I love this color. I'm excited to wear this. Honestly, when I hear people talk about Morphe, they usually talk about their eyeshadow palettes or their brushes, but this seems like it's going to be really, really beautiful quality. I like the packaging. There's a nice mirror. You get a large pan, and this looks really, really promising. Okay, this next product is something that I just started using this week, and I've already fallen in love with it. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. It is the Tarte Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. So I've tried a couple of Tarte mascaras mascaras. I really like the Tarte Lash Paint, but I don't like the Lights Camera Lashes mascara, so I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about this one when I first tried it, but I love it. Like I said, I'm wearing it on my lashes today. I don't know if you guys can really tell the difference. A lot of my more dramatic mascaras make my lashes look a little bit clumpy, which in turn can make them look a little bit shorter, and it doesn't really separate them or make them look super long, but this one does a great job. I will say that I have to build it up because the first coat doesn't really look like anything super special, but it builds so well. And again, your lashes don't get clumpy. They're separated and long and dramatic, and I'm a big fan of it. I've only been using it for like a week, so those are just like my first impressions, but I'm excited that they included it because so far I really enjoy it. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Eyeko London. I've never tried this product, but it is, wait, have I? I feel like I have tried one of their liquid liners. This one is their Skinny Liquid Liner in the shade Black. Okay, this one is a felt tip liner. I usually prefer brush tip liners. I just find them so easy to use, and I haven't used a felt tip liner in a while, but I'm definitely going to try it out. I love liquid liner pens. It is the only way that I apply liquid liner because I cannot use gel liner, and I don't like using pencil on my upper lash line because I just like a nice sharp wing. So I will definitely give it a shot. Let me just swatch it on my hand. Okay, it dries matte, which is nice, but I think it's going to be a little bit difficult to get the perfect winged liner with this one because the tip is a little bit larger. It's not super tapered, so I think I'm going to struggle a little bit with a sharp wing, which I already do struggle with. So I think that's the reason why I like a brush tip liner, just because they tend to be really tapered and you can get a nice sharp wing. But I'll let you guys know if it stays in place, if it smears, so I'll try it out. The next thing in here is by the brand Purlisse, which is a skincare brand. I've tried a couple of their products in the past and I really enjoy them. They seem to be more on the gentle side. So in my experience, because I do have sensitive skin, they've been really good for me. This one is the Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. This sounds kind of familiar. I kind of think I have this in my collection, but I haven't tried it, so I need to double check, but it is supposed to gently resurface, detoxify, brighten, tighten, and smooth, and it is a 10-minute facial. Honestly, I need to be better about using skincare masks more consistently because I do find that they give a really great results, but by the time I'm ready to do my night skincare and go to bed, I'm just too lazy to do it, but I will definitely give it a shot. I really like exfoliating products, and this one says that it's meant for all skin types, even sensitive skin. I love that they included a skincare product. I personally love getting skincare products in beauty subscription boxes because it's an easy way to try new products and new brands, especially because skincare products can be very pricey. Okay, there's one more product in here. This is by the brand Beauty by PopSugar. It is a tinted lip balm, and I got the shade Blush Crush. I really like the packaging. This is so pretty, and it has a matte finish. I got a really pretty rosy shade, and it looks like you can build up the color if you want. Yeah, you can build it up if you want more intense pigmentation. This feels like it's going to be super hydrating and creamy on the lips, so you could probably apply a little bit and then rub it in with your finger or layer it up if you want more of an intense payoff, but this seems like it's going to be nice for the fall season. Okay, and the last product in here is actually the makeup bag. Now, you do get a makeup bag. You don't get one every month. You get one every 3 months or every 3 boxes, but the makeup bag is going to be a little bit nicer than the bags that we get every month with Ipsy, which I do love those. I use those all the time, but I did get this bag when they sent me that PR package last month, and I love it so much. It's currently in my purse. It holds so many products. It's such a good bag because it can be a little bit smaller, but you can also open it up and pack it really full, which is nice. So it feels really nice. It's definitely a high quality bag. I can notice the difference between this bag and the bags that we get in our Ipsy bags every month, which again, I do like those, but this is extra nice. Okay, so that is everything that I got inside the first box. I definitely think it was a good box. What did you guys think? I think that we got a lot of great brands, a lot of good products. None of these products feel cheap. I've tried all of these brands at one point or another, other than maybe Eyeko and Beauty by PopSugar, but I love Smashbox, Purlisse, Tarte. That Morphe highlighter looks amazing, and I really like this makeup bag. So I think they're definitely off to a good start. I will continue to film these videos over the next few months for you guys so I can share the boxes and we can see if they remain consistently good or what other products they include. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested, if you'll be signing up, if you'll be sticking with your regular subscription, or if you are not interested at all. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you in a new video very soon. Bye.